getting back to the winning column. Inabot tayo ng overtime para makuha ang panalo ulit. Anong learnings nyo in the last 3 games na nag-translate in the way to get a fair bug today?
Well, siguro doon lang namin yung last 3 matches namin kasi kaya sabi ko nga, hindi tayo pa ng team na matamagan bago ang kahapon. Pero yun nga, in the day of practice, sabi namin, nakaya naman natin. As long as we always play our game, it's just happened na same thing will happen here. Almost naman kami. So, yun, kailangan ng mga players na kaya keep competing. No chance talaga na natin. Kita naman, mas gusto nyo ito kung next manalo, mas pero mas gusto na isa ka na mas gusto na
Coach Ronald, we would like to open the floor to friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, heartbreak no more for tonight. Hindi na kayo heartbreak.
Sorry. Nagato?
Hindi na kayo heartbreak.
Medyo pa rin kasi we need to finish strong, start strong, finish strong. So, wins away, pero good thing na nakalagpas kami ngayon.
Coach, pero sa time na parang ano na naman mapipitawan nila naman yung game, but then apat kayo na press na talagang grabe yung turnaround din.
Well, the boys, the team, they're solving for them tournaments. So, sa akin na, yun, kung sino mo may gusto ng game yun, 50-50 chances na lang. So, itong gawin ko, I think, mas gusto ng mga players. Kasi, for past 3 games, kaya. So, this one, nagpanahin nila kaya.
Mami, around mga 2 minutes ng overtime, it was 1-0 for 98. Then, back-to-back threes ka, triggered yung 4 straight threes na binitawan nyo to steal the game from TLT.
Honestly, yung credit to my teammates lang yung tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. Whether I make mistakes or miss my shots, talagang yung encouragement nila sa akin, yung kumpiyansa nila sa akin, sobrang laking bagay. Especially after our last game against San Miguel, yung 2 crucial turnovers ko. Honestly, gusto ko lang mag-make up from that costly turnovers.
I'll pick up Coach early na ngayon hindi kayo heartbreak, but this time malaki lamang yun, hindi pang mawala sa inyo.
Laking bagay sobra. I mean, just to boost our confidence kasi honestly, laking bagay rin na we weren't down coming into the 4th quarter. So, we just stayed with it. Yung encouragement namin sa isa't isa, nandun pa natin.
Coach, talk about lang yung maturity ninyo kasi lamang na kayo rin yung 4th quarter na nawala pero nag-maintain nyo naman yung composure nyo and eventually nanalo kayo.
Well, learning pa rin learnings pa rin sa mga players, even sa coaches. So, just they are taking every time. Mahirap mag-relax eh. All of the tapes are pretty strong. So, kailangan mag-start sa sarili namin. From start ng whistle matapos. Yung base ng game, kaya yung early standing sa depensa. Yung concept namin sa depensa sa opensa ng team, yun yung mahalaga. Saka willing to sacrifice para sa yung team namin.
Coach, isa rin sa maganda nilalaro so far sa team si Maverick. Ano tingin mo nagbago kayo this conference?
Well, last time kasi, last conference, parang kapaan season pala tayo, tsaka hindi pa siya ganun healthy. Then parang nung ngayon, yun, in-embrace na yung mga sa leader. Sila di ba yung mga veterans namin. Tsaka, yun lang, it starts in practice. I know those guys sa practice makikita na capable. So that's why sa game makikita na.
Coach mo si Gio,
I think the crumbs yata si Gino. The good thing naman na nag-step up naman kung sino pinasok ng coaches. Yun naman ang team namin next month natin.
Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the Dead Film Review.
Petrol din na.